We are at the entrance of the Ratnagiri Fort. So this is the entry. In the view from around is spectacular. The fort was built around in the Bahmani period, which is around 1400, and then the fort went under the Bijapur Sultanate, which is Adil Shahi, and then the fort came under Maratha rule, and after in the Peshwa period it was under Kanoji Angri, the Angres, and after that it went under the British rule. So this is the overall history of who ruled this fort until now, and we are in the Bali Killa. So around this fort there is a temple of Bhagwati, goddess Bhagwati. So the story is like that to defeat Ratnasur, goddess Lakshmi created Bhagwati and his sister Timlai to defeat Ratnasur, and before defeating Ratnasur he defeated his brother Kolasur. So the name of Kolapur is based on this Kolasur demon, and Ratnagiri is based on Ratnasur demon. So that is the Puranic story of this fort. This fort is also called Ratnagiri Fort, Ratnadurg Fort, and Bhagwati Fort. So I think we will have an adventure here, because there is underground road from here, and I think Rakesh and I will attempt this. It will take time, but let's see. We will enter this hole. So guys, we are doing this adventure, and we want to see what's inside. Like I said, it's really dark. I'm coming outside, bro. No use of going inside. The road is blocked. This is a secret pathway. So this is the famous Redi Bruj. I don't know what it's famous for, but it is famous for some whaler. So we have our कोकणी माणूस, कोकण आपला असा यवा यवा कोकणला यवा यवा कोकण आपलं तसा. राकेश, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
ज़बरदस्त फीलिंग है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पहली बार आया हूँ. नेटिव प्लेस मेरा यही होके भी मैं यहाँ पे कितना लेट आया हूँ. इसका बहुत दुख है. जगह भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त है.
झाडांच्या मधून बोट जाते. So as you see guys, this is a beautiful scenic view from here, and Rakesh, our statement, he is doing some bravery. Actually I am not interested in doing that bravery, because we have to leave ahead for the next spot. So guys, right now I am on the Vetala Buruj of the Ratnadurg Fort, and I will show you a view that will catch your eyes. You can see this. This is the boat named Gurab, which was used by Shivaji Maharaj at that time. So this type of boat is used by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj for his sea activities and to keep the enemies at bay. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji. So we are totally cooked and we are right now at the main entrance of Ratnadurg Fort. So I have made a motto for us. So the Geo motto is Geo Ji Bhar ke, and Coca-Cola tagline is Pio Ji Bhar ke, and our tagline is Ghumo Ji Bhar ke.
Yes.
So that was the main entrance, Mukhya Darwaja, and this is the Maha Darwaja. Maha Darwaja is a bigger entrance. In Pune we have Deccan Queen, and in Konkan we have this Konkan Queen, which is the ride for the day.